Hello everyone! This video will cover using the attribute syntax for shader parameters. What this will do is create a material that will change parameters based on the element it's assigned to. In this case, we have two trees for which the leaves are all assigned to the same material, but they are calling different texture files. We'll go through how to set this up. Right now, the trees are assigned to the same materials and appear the same. The first thing you'll need to create is an attribute. Any attribute set to a geometry can be found in the Attributes tab under Geometry, Arbitrary. These values can be exported from the modeling software of your choice through an Alembic file or USD, or you can set attributes in Katana directly. In this case, we've created attributes in Katana using an attribute set node. So under the base color attribute, different scene graph locations are calling different texture files. These values are directing us towards the location of images on our machine. The next step is to call this attribute in the shading network. Go into the Leaves Network Material Create node. In the node where you're calling the texture file, set the image name parameter to the base color attribute. Do this by calling the attributes using the curly brackets attr syntax for geometry, arbitrary, base color, value. This parameter is now calling the attributes on the geometry. For this to work, in the material assign node, you want to make sure that you're assigning the part of the geometry that has this attribute tag. The material will be searching for the attribute at the level the scene graph it's been assigned to. The material will read attributes at that level in the hierarchy and create variations accordingly. We now know how to use the attribute syntax in a shading network. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon!